What's up, Red Raiders? Welcome to another edition of Campus Live TV. I'm Reagan Heston. Check out this month's Wellness Tips segment where our wellness expert, Dr. Jennifer Phy, gives us a healthy snack for Valentine's Day.
Hi, I'm Dr. Jennifer Phy, and today's wellness tip is some advice on how you can have a great Valentine's without blowing your diet. So Valentine's can be a really fun time to eat some very rich, indulgent meals and to eat lots of boxes of chocolate. But there is a fun and simple treat that's very romantic and fun that you can make easily on your own that isn't terrible for you, and that would be dark chocolate dipped strawberries. So it is just as easy as can be. The only things that you're going to need are some parchment paper and a container of very nice strawberries. And there are several different types of dark chocolate that you can buy. You can buy some that is flavored with stevia so that there's even less sugar. And there are other easy kinds that come in a little container like this that you just microwave. So these are the only ingredients that you have to have, and then we have some ideas for some toppings as well. But the important thing when you make your dark chocolate dipped strawberries is that the parchment paper will prevent them from sticking to the plate or dish that you're using. And it's very important to rinse your strawberries, dry the strawberries like with a little paper towel and let them air dry. It's very, very important to have them nice and dry before you put them on the parchment paper. So we'll show you just how easy this is. On the chocolate chips, you just put the container in the microwave, and it has you use the microwave at 30-second bursts. So you'll set it for 30 seconds and stir the chocolates around, and then you keep doing that. This took 1.5 minutes for our microwave to make this very smooth and creamy dip. Then you can take your strawberry and you can either just dip it into the container or lift it up with a spoon and spin your strawberry around till you get it exactly how you want it. And you don't want to be skimpy on this. Try to really get that strawberry covered all the way around. Then you can rest your strawberry on the parchment paper, just like this. And then, if you'd like to sprinkle it with something else special, you could use some coconut sprinkles. These are really delicious and very pretty. You can also use some white chocolate chips, and you can easily put these into a little cheese grater, and a little goes a long way. So you can just take a few little chocolate chips and shake them in there. Push this down, and then you grate it, and it's going to sprinkle your strawberries just so pretty with the little white chocolate sprinkles. And I'll make one more. All the way around. This one, I'm just going to scoot this one over. And this one, you could use some little sprinkles. And I'm sure you could find heart-shaped ones or any kinds that you like, but these are just some little red and white sprinkles. So really, the only ingredients that you have to have are the strawberries, the dark chocolate, and love. So this is how you can have a great Valentine's with very little effort. Put them in the fridge for at least 15 minutes, even better if they stay overnight. And they're a delicious, healthy treat that will give you a fruit and then those wonderful flavonoids from the dark chocolate that are healthy for you. So have a happy Valentine's Day and stay safe and well. Thank you.
All right, that's it for this episode of Campus Live TV. Do you have any wellness tips you'd like shared? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to follow at Campus Live TTU for all things Texas Tech and Lubbock. And until next time for Campus Live TV, I'm Reagan Heston.